Hello guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video we are walking from this place. This market is Kantamanto market, so we are walking from Kantamanto market to China house. So guys, join me whilst we explore around this place, and if you don't know this place, let me know in the comment section. Wherever you're watching me from, let me know in the comment section also as well. And if you are new to this channel and interested in this kind of content, please tap on the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends. If you know this place also as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. As you can see, when you come over here to Kantamanto, you are going to see a lot of traders selling, clothes and also shoes. That is what is mainly sell in this market. So guys, let's move on whilst we explore around this market. And Kantamanto market is one of the biggest clothing market in the greater Accra region. So guys, let's move on and explore around. And when you come over here, this part of Kantamanto market is where you are going to find all the banks. We have EcoBank, Access Bank, and other banks over here. Do you get me? As you can see, we have Zenith and also UBA Bank. That's the branches. So when you come over here, you are going to see different branches of banks over here. So guys, let's explore around. So just stay tuned and watch this video, but note this, don't try to skip any part of this video. Yes, let's go. So guys, we are finally here in China House, and we are trying to let's move forward small so that we can see the building very clear. And as you can see, this yellow building in front is the China House, and when you look at the back of the yellow building, you can see UTC building over there, which is in deep brown color. Do you get me? So guys, this is China House, and as you can see, we are crossing the street. So when you get over here to China House, you are going to see traders who are selling, most of the traders over here, they are selling, slippers and also shoes that are both for men and women. I mean, the males and females. You get me? So guys, just keep on watching whilst we explore around. So thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Guys, if you are really interested in this kind of content, let me know where you are watching me from. Just let me know whether you're watching me from the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, you're watching me from any part of the world. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit, this is very important, don't forget to hit the sub button, the like button, and also share this content with your friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below. Bye.